Hello everyone and welcome back to my morning report analysis videos. I'm me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's have a look at euro dollar. The big chart I think in this market is the fact that euro dollar has broken 21.55. Initially on Draghi yesterday, the market had held up. 21.55 had been tested and then jumped back to 22 figure. But then yesterday afternoon, later on in the afternoon, the market completely flipped, turned back lower, closed at 21 figure, sharply down, closing around the low of the day, big bear candle, and that bear candle has just continued today, 30 pips down on the day. Breaking that range, I sort of effectively forms a top pattern, doesn't it? And you could measure that top pattern of 400 pips, a little bit less decisively, you could say 320 pips arguably of downside, and that certainly brings us back into sort of the 118 area, it would seem. What we have seen today is the market back even below the breakout support, the old highs of September and December, early Jan, sort of become supportive on the retreat, but no, they have been broken as well. So the market is increasingly sort of negative on a near to medium term basis, and it looks like it's turning corrective. Certainly the momentum indicators, hourly chart now, daily chart RSI below 40 and falling, MACD lines accelerating lower, stochastic accelerating lower, selling into strength seems to be the only real way you can play this, and the hourly chart shows that. I sort of saw what looked to be a slight positive divergence developing on momentum indicators yesterday, but then that was the meeting where Draghi sort of helped to support the euro, but then it completely sold off subsequently to that, and we're now seeing the market sort of falling away, lower highs, lower lows. 121.55 becomes a basis of resistance, although it's already 80 pips below that. Any sort of unwinding move is a chance to sell. But 19.15 is the next sort of real reaction low, and then you're looking at sort of 17 area to 18 area. So yeah, I think this is a correction that is ongoing now. It's actually fallen below the 144-day moving average. When was the last time that happened? April last year, 12 months ago. So yeah, it doesn't look great on euro dollar now, and the momentum in a corrective move is continuing. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.